In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automation in Monday.com. Now, Monday.com is a popular project management tool that many teams use to streamline their workflows with various automation features. But sometimes you need to turn off these automations to regain manual control or to make adjustments. Whatever the reason might be, I'm here to walk you through the process, step by step, so you can do it swiftly and confidently. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific board where your automation is set up. This is an essential step because each board in Monday.com may have its unique set of automations that you may want to customize or disable altogether. Once you're on the desired board, you should locate and click on the Automate button. This button is usually easy to spot, prominently displayed along the board's menu. Clicking on this will lead you to the Automation Center of your board, where you'll have an overview of all automations currently active. Now, here's the crucial part. Once inside the Automation Center, you'll see a list of all the active automations you've set up for your board. Take a moment to review these automations to identify which ones you no longer need or wish to pause temporarily. After identifying the automation you want to turn off, look for a toggle switch next to it. This switch is your key to controlling the on and off function of your automation. At this stage, simply click the toggle switch to the off position. You'll notice the switch will visually change, indicating that the automation is now disabled. And just like that, the automation you've selected will no longer run for your board. This can be handy if you're testing new processes or workflows, or if you just need a break from automated tasks. Remember, turning off an automation doesn't delete it. You can easily go back and reactivate it by toggling the switch back on whenever you need to. This flexibility allows you to experiment and adjust your workflow processes without losing any of your previous configurations. To wrap things up, I encourage you to regularly check your automation settings. As your projects evolve, you might find that certain tasks no longer need to be automated or that new automation should be established to keep up with changing demands. Frequent evaluations can help ensure your boards are working optimally for your team's needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has empowered you to manage your automations on Monday.com effectively. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like this video and subscribe for more insightful tutorials on optimizing